Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a come grocery shopping vlog slash haul. Also my voice is kind of gone. It was gone like a few days ago, so it's just coming back, so I sound like a dead horse, but it's fine. I wanted to bring you guys along with me, and you guys can come with me. I'm going to Aldi, I think Walmart and Sam's Club, just to get a few things for the house and some groceries and stuff that I need here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys when I get to the car. Bye. Alright guys, I made it safely to Aldi. It's my first stop, and I told you guys I didn't make a list, so hopefully I don't buy too much. I mean, it's not too expensive in here, but I know how I get when I don't have a list, because then I just want to get everything. So I'm going to try to stick to budget. My budget is less than $100, so I can get out of here. I gotta go to Sam's Club still, and then Walmart. Actually, I don't even think I need to go to Walmart. I just need to go to Sam's Club and get a case of water. Yeah, so if you guys want to watch, continue watching, or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. Continue watching. What? Okay, bye. I guess I'm just gonna go down every aisle and pick out what I see. I really don't think I need too much, but I'm trying not to spend as much money like on fast food. So, oh, by the way, if you guys didn't see my drive-through video or whatever, letting the person in front of me decide what to eat, make sure you guys go check that out. I'm pretty sure that'll be uploaded before this. Grapes. I also really like these cuties over here. They're $3.69, so I'm gonna put them on the side because I don't know if I'm gonna get them. Y'all, I'm trying to walk past this section without getting anything, but it's so freaking good. I did pick up some goldfish, well, penguin bait crackers, not goldfish. Alright, so I'm kind of stuck because I know what I need. Like, I know I need sandwich stuff, pretty much. I don't know, but I'm just stuck. And see, I really should have made a list. So it's like I look at this stuff and I'm like, do I need it or do I not need it? And I have to think back in my head, like, if I have it in the house or not. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. Yo, they have my favorite freaking granola. Oh my god. I love this stuff, though. That right there, if you haven't tried it, come to Aldi, get you that. My mom put me on. Thanks, Mom. Thank you. You know what, I think I am gonna go to Walmart because they have like big bags of potatoes. It's like 20 potatoes. I don't need that much just for myself. And their sweet potatoes that they have are literally so little. So I'm just gonna go to Walmart to get like potatoes, onions, stuff that I can like pick out so I don't have to just get the whole bag. Taco Tuesday. Cart's getting a little full. I don't really need any of this stuff over here, to be honest. All my little snacks, as long as I get like some chicken, some ground beef, just make some stuff. I have sandwich stuff. I'm good, honestly. I'm really easy. Like, I really don't need a lot to survive. I really don't. I feel like I'm like not even vlogging enough, honestly. And of course, there's people looking at me. Okay, I need juice. Is it just me, or does you guys not know the difference between 80-20, 85-15, 90-10, and that one? Like, honestly, I just get the one my mom gets, which is the red one. I don't know if that's good for you, but I'm guessing it's the least good for you because it's the one that's the cheapest. I don't know. This is terrible. I need something else. But the real question is, how am I gonna get this in the house, and who's gonna pay for all of this? Price is going up. I'm on this side. I think I'm gonna stay under my budget. It was $100. You think so?
I think so. I think.
Yeah, I think I'll be good. Perfect. Alright, got all my groceries in my car. Guys, I will say that it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I'm never going to the grocery store without a list again, okay? Like, I survived, but I was just like pretty much stuck the whole time. Like, what should I get? I put like some stuff back, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got, but I'm getting ready to go to Sam's Club now. I just need to get a case of water.
Don't try to homie, don't.
But I just need to go to Sam's Club, and I need to get a case of water, and then Walmart to get those 3 things I said, and then I'm done. I'm going home. I need to charge the battery because I'm filming my other videos today. I'm filming like 4 videos today. So be on the lookout. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. This lady just hit my, she just hit my car. I need to go, I need to go. Made it to my second stop. This is literally my home away from home. Like, I don't know if y'all know, but I work here. And I don't like being here on my off days, honestly. Bye. Hi, Miss Cindy. Good, how are you? This is awkward. My friend is here. Kaya! You wanna be part of my vlog? Oh, look who it is. My favorite person in the world. Okay. I'm doing, okay, here. Wait.
Hi y'all, we hate this job, okay? Just letting y'all know. None of us like it here. We all hate it. If anyone says they like it, they're lying.
Look who it is, Rita. Oh my gosh, my supervisor is so fun. And this is when I have to make my decisions. All this water. For what though? Which one am I gonna get? No, I did not just struggle to get this water in my cart. Definitely didn't just happen. Look at him, y'all. He's looking. The best part of coming to Sam's Club on my off days is that I can try the taste of things. Hi. Oh, no, you're not in it. I was getting the sign. Hi, Erin. Bye, Miss Margaret. You too, thank you. Hey guys, I'm back in the car now. So I'm probably not gonna go to Walmart because I'm kind of tired and I really need to charge the battery here. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Aldi, and then the water. I don't really need to show you guys water, but I got that from Sam's Club. So I'm gonna go home now and just relax, start editing these videos that I did so far. I still have 2 more videos to film today, so it's a crazy day. I'm tired, and the heat is literally getting to me. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know I'm not really gonna go to Walmart. And then I'll show you guys, I also need to clean out that nasty fridge at the house, because I will show you guys, it is atrocious. There's food in there from months ago. So I'm just gonna clean that out, put the stuff in, show you guys, and I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Alright guys, so I made it back home now, and shout out to Liz, because I really wouldn't have been able to get this stuff up here without her. So thank you, girl. I know you're watching. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is just pretty much everything that I got here. There's all my unhealthy stuff, and then all my healthy stuff is over here. So I just got some chicken breasts, salmon, bread, eggs, spinach, some yogurt, lemons for my water. I got some applesauce and mandarin oranges, grapes, some tuna salad cracker thingies. I love these. Like I said, spaghetti, Jiffy. I got these Clubhouse crackers, and my favorite, pumpkin seed and flax. Then I just got some pasta sauce, mushroom, for me to make spaghetti obviously, and then peanut butter, bacon, ground beef, turkey breast, milk, what is this? Grape jelly, Alfredo sauce, mashed potatoes. There's some mayonnaise back there. My knockoff goldfish, and then these dino nuggets are bomb, y'all. Like, I'm literally still a kid at heart. And then I just got some orange juice and raspberry lemonade. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out this fridge here. That way I can get all my new stuff in. Fridge and freezer are pretty junky, so I'm gonna put that stuff in there. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.